Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let me ask you this. How many times today have you let someone else decide your mood? One comment, one headline, one message, and suddenly your peace is gone. But the Stoics believed this was a choice. They taught that your mind is your final territory and it must be guarded. Not by locking yourself away from the world, but by choosing carefully what you let in. Today, we explore how to protect your peace, the Stoic way. Let's begin. Part 1. Your mind is a fortress, not a highway. Most people treat their minds like public property. Anything can enter. Gossip, panic, insults, drama, doom scrolling. The result? Exhaustion, reactivity, mental clutter. But Marcus Aurelius said, "The tranquility that comes when you stop caring what they say or do or think, that's the real strength." Your mind is a fortress, not a freeway. The Stoic becomes its gatekeeper. You chase validation. Part 2. Why you must guard your inner peace. Because peace is not weakness, it's power under control. Without it, you overreact. You chase validation. You lose hours to thoughts that aren't even yours. Protecting your peace means protecting focus, clarity, emotional sovereignty. And in a chaotic world, this is radical strength. Part 3. How to guard your mind, the Stoic way. 1. Filter what enters. Ask, does this deserve space in my mind? Before clicking that link, reading that comment, watching that reel, engaging that argument. Pause, filter, choose. You don't have to consume everything. In fact, the wisest people consume very little, but very well. 2. Set boundaries without apology. You are allowed to, not reply immediately. Leave conversations that drain. Say no without explaining. Protect your schedule. Decline the news. As Epictetus said, if you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Protecting peace sometimes means disappointing others, to stay loyal to yourself. 3. Watch your inner narrator. Your thoughts shape your experience more than reality itself. When something difficult happens, ask, what am I making this mean? Is this thought helpful? Would a wise person believe this? Seneca wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Protecting peace isn't just blocking noise from others, it's calming the storm you create inside. 4. Expect disruption and stay anchored. Life will not stop being chaotic, but the Stoic trains for it. Each morning, remind yourself, I will encounter resistance, delay, and rudeness, but they will not touch my peace unless I let them. This is premeditatio malorum, the Stoic mental armor. Prepared, not paranoid. Grounded, not guarded. Or 5. Practice peace as a daily discipline. Peace isn't something you have, it's something you practice. Every deep breath, delayed reaction, thoughtful no, moment of silence is a vote for sovereignty. You build your fortress, brick by brick, choice by choice. Part 4. Stoic quotes on protecting your peace. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Silence is a lesson learned from the many sufferings of life. Seneca. He is a wise man who does not waste his time on what he cannot control. Epictetus. Part 5. What protecting peace gives you. Clearer thinking, less drama, slower reactions, better sleep, deeper relationships, time for what truly matters. It's not selfish, it's sacred. Because when your mind is calm, you become a lighthouse in storms. You don't absorb chaos, you transform it. Part 6. A peaceful mind is not a passive life. This is not about avoiding reality, ignoring injustice, being numb. It's about responding, not reacting. It's about protecting the clarity that allows you to act with purpose. The Stoic is not cold. They're composed, not distant, but decisive. Part 7. Daily practices to guard your mind. Begin the day with silence, not screen. Pause before responding to anything emotionally charged. Journal one thing that disrupted your peace and why you let it. Set digital boundaries, unfollow, mute, turn off. Schedule time for solitude. You don't owe access to everyone. Your peace is not public property. Conclusion. Be the gatekeeper. Today, remember this. You are not weak for needing quiet. You are not rude for saying no. You are not broken for feeling overwhelmed. You are human, and your mind is the garden of your soul. So guard it, not with walls, but with wisdom, because the more peace you protect, the more strength you project. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this episode reminded you to return to your center, like, subscribe, and share it with someone whose peace is under attack. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.